defeating the code brown. No, 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 stop rising. Stop. We have a code brown. You just flushed, but instead of going down, the water is coming UP. It's the ultimate nightmare. Relax. Put down the phone. Don't call the plumber yet. That costs $200. I'm Dr. Frog, and today we are using fluid dynamics to defeat the poop monster for free. First, know your enemy. This curvy pipe is called the S-trap. It's designed to create a siphon effect to suck waste away. But when you use too much paper or eat too many burritos, the friction beats gravity. The siphon breaks, and you get a flood. Rookie mistake number 1. Do not flush again. If the bowl is full, adding more water creates a poop volcano. We need to attack the clog, not drown it. If you don't have a plunger, we use chemistry. Go to the kitchen. Get dish soap and hot water. Not boiling, just hot. We call this the slippery slide technique. Pour a generous amount of soap into the bowl. Soap is a surfactant. It breaks surface tension and lubricates the pipe. Imagine the soap making the pipe slippery like a water slide. The clog loses its grip. Now, add the hot water. Pour it from waist height. Why? Because height equals potential energy. The falling water adds pressure to push the clog, while the heat helps dissolve the organic stuff. Wait for it. Wait for a few minutes. Boom! Physics wins! Gravity plus lubrication equals victory. The monster is gone. And if you do use a plunger, don't just push. The power comes from the pull back. You want to create a vacuum to wiggle the clog loose. Push gently, pull hard. You just saved $200 with science. Does your house have other disasters? Let me know in the comments. I'm Dr. Frog. Keep it flowing. Ribbit.